Samba time once again, folks. By now you should have got your nice samba bounce going. Not too much, don't forget, don't be up and down too much. And today we're going to do the Botafogo. Now again, you still got to get your samba bounce in this one. So we're taking a forward step on the left foot for one. Slightly bent in the knees and ball flat. Don't take it straight in the leg. Try and get that nice samba movement going on the one there. So you just bounced slightly into it. Then we take a side step, which is part weight, and make sure the toe is turned out there. It's no good doing one of them. So you've got, stop it. So you've got forward left foot to the side and toe turned out and replace. So you dance that as the three movements, 1 and 2. Then we go right foot forward, 1. Again, as you go into the side, be careful not to turn that toe in. Keep it out, slightly bent, part weight and replace. So we got a nice simple 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Then you get your samba bouncing, so we're getting a little bit of movement there, 1 and 2. One of the most important things that is always missed out in samba is the hip action. So as you get your forward step there, you lean slightly into the hip. When we get the side step, as you put the part weight in, don't put the heel down, keep it up, but you can still get a nice hip movement there. It's almost like a circular movement. And then forward. Same with the side step on the left foot, and 2. So if you're incorporating the hips into this, we've got 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So there's that nice hip movement to the side on each one. Don't forget the arms. I mean, you can dance this in close hold if you want, but if you're doing it side by side, then we've got to get that nice arm movement as we've done before, not robotics. So we're going to move the arms out, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Speed that up a little bit, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Circle it. So when you're doing, before you do your samba, don't forget to practice that circular hip, because it can get you loosened out a little bit. Again, going back to the beginning when you've learned all your movements, practice the hips on their own, and then once you're actually into the movement, you can literally, it'll come naturally. So that's Botafogo as well. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Again, middle up, head up, and away you go. As lady. We're stepping back on the right foot. 1, again, same, push that hip out and replace. Push, replace. 1 and 2, push and replace. Same movement in reverse. Get the hips going. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Once again for the ladies. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Obviously the girls will be a bit more flowery in the arms. For the fellas, it's better to keep it strong. Don't start flapping like a seagull. So when you're dancing 1 and 2, get a little bit of power into those arms. 1 and 2. So that for today is the Botafogo.